Here comes Amtrak train 745. Final stop to Oakland Track 1 Square. Now arriving at Martinez Station. Now approaching the station will be eastbound Capitol Corridor 745. Stopping in Richmond, Berkeley, Emeryville, Oakland Track 1 lane. Please write, comment, and hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Now we're approaching Martinez Station. It's eastbound Amtrak Capitol Corridor 745. Stopping in Richmond. Station track. I didn't hear anything about 45 on that track. Signal tracking on us again. I should have stayed right there. I didn't know. Yeah, gotta be kidding me. This is Amtrak train 745. Final stop to Oakland Track and 1 Square. Please write, comment, and hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. This could be a great time to do it now. Amtrak train 745. Final stop to Oakland Track and 1 Square. Amtrak 745, Papa Martinez came on the dive approach to Virgin Clear. Another freight train! Why is that? I'm not even hearing anything on your radio. But wait, there's more. Here is a freight train and the Amtrak train. How awesome was that? Oh, looks like 45 almost speed the freight train over here. I don't know what the signal was for 45. I didn't check.
I don't know why the engineer always says what.
I'm a school bus driver, which I still say.
Please write, comment, and hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. This could be a great time now. This is a Union Pacific freight train. except there's a Santa Fe freight at the end. Oh, wow. Usually that's a UP engine, not a Santa Fe. And there goes a Union Pacific freight train with 3 engines in the two in the front and the third one at the end. Please rate, comment, and hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. This could be a great time to do it now. A Union Pacific freight train and Amtrak Capital Corridor 745. I was inspecting that with an Amtrak train. Signing off for Amtrak 738. See ya.